Hi guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we had kind of a strong retest of support, this horizontal line over here, and well, we bounced off of it. And yesterday somebody asked me something on one of my YouTube videos, and I responded around 17 hours ago. Yes, that could be, and I do expect crazy wicks to the downside, which will be bought up quick as well, just like the one of the 17th of June 2019. Well, I actually meant the 17th of May last year instead of June, but I referred to this wick over here, and we kind of had the same exact thing happen. Too many people long, everything is of course really bullish, and they just wick everybody out of the trade, out of their long, and yeah, it will be bought back quick up, just like I said over here as well. So yeah, I expect the same thing to happen. This will close bullish, or we will continue to the upside. That is what I expect. I know it's a risky thing to say, but that is really what I am expecting. We are now breaking a little trend line over here. We want to see some more confirmation. Of course, we want to go back above this one, and that is around 11.4k. So yeah, that is what I'm watching. I want to see the price go above 11.4k. Anyway, ES will open tonight, and I'm looking at the S&P 500 futures. I will take a sharp look at it because I think it will direct the way Bitcoin will go this week. I expect it will go up, and I expect we will see new all-time highs soon for the S&P. I know I was bearish a week ago, but now I am bullish. People can flip, and this is how I trade on a really small time frame, kind of. I put some horizontals. I have the VPVR, the volume per price range, and right now I am bullish on a small time frame. But this is kind of how I draw my lines. Like I said, I'm still bullish, and the weekly will close tonight. So let's take a look at the weekly. We'll put the VPVR off. It is a bit shooting, but it's still very bullish, as you can see. Still very bullish. You can draw it like this on the tops or on the bottoms. It doesn't really matter. Well, it actually does, but it's still very bullish to me, as long as we are above these ones. Well, you could say these ones, higher highs, and ideally we would be above these ones. That's around 11.5, 11.4, I would say. So that would be one of the highest closes we've ever had on Bitcoin. We only had these higher over here, this top. So things are looking really good. And if you have some cash sitting, I mean, I would put it into Bitcoin. This is not financial advice, of course. Could go really wrong. It is buying high, but I am very bullish. And Ethereum is doing that now as well. Ethereum is front running things the last week, last days. And on a smaller time frame, they're almost back to 380 again. Really super bullish. Yeah, I don't know how to say it almost, but it's so bullish. Daily, of course, a big fucker for Ethereum. Exactly the same as Bitcoin did. Shoot everybody out of their long position and then move back up. And yeah, Ethereum, as long as it is above 360, it's mega bullish. You see it over here as well, 360. It's like it's this level, kind of, 370, whatever. But it's as long as it's above this one, that's very important for me. and it's doing it wonderful. It's looking very, very good, guys. Ethereum BTC, let's zoom out. Made the exact same thing, but they're almost back together like yesterday's highs. Very, very strong. It's so extremely strong, guys. I mean, this was the next resistance up for Ethereum, and as you can see here, you see the volume. This is a very important area, and over here barely volume. Of course, the chart of on Binance is not that old, but it is looking super good, guys. It really is. So what I'm expecting is something like this. And I've said it before, if this line breaks from when I started my YouTube videos, the price will double. And I think we will see that. This is a 2-year trend line, guys. This break is huge. Also, Bitcoin made a 2-year trend line break, which is huge as well. And Ethereum did it as well. So like this is the bull market. And for me, what the confirmation of the bull market would be is if they save the daily, for example. If this breaks up now and goes back to 12K, then it's all on, guys. And like I said, if you want to trade this with leverage, be so extremely careful. Maybe use one-time leverage or something like that. I was long from over here, so I made myself the whole nice route up, and I kept selling here, and on small dips I bought some more, and my average entry was around 11.3k. I had my stop at 11.4, and I took $100 slippage on my stop. Luckily, I took a lot of profit already, and before I went to bed, we were still below 12k. So I had in the 12k area, beginning of 12, a lot of asks. So I had a good winner, but yeah, it could have been a lot more. So yeah, these wicks and stops, placing stops is really hard. So be careful with leverage. If you do want to trade with some leverage, you can do it, for example, the Bybit challenge with me. There's trading competition, price pool of 150 BTC. That's a lot of money, guys. And if you want to do some trading yourself with a little bit of leverage, use one of these sign up links. You'll get extra discounts on trading fees, which is really nice. And I'm looking on a smaller time frame now, and Bitcoin is doing really good things already. It's looking wonderful, guys. And the weekly will be great. The weekly will be great. I mean, the best thing would be if we closed above these, but we're still in a massive super close. And yeah, happy trading, guys. Make sure you use one of these refs, and if you want to do the competition, if you want to have the sign up link, let me know, or click this link if you're on Twitter. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and please subscribe and like and leave a comment. Bye.